right, it's time for circle time, and we're taking a look. Today is the 14th day of May. Let's sing our Days of the Week song to figure out what day of the week it is. Are we ready? Yeah. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Your turn. I can't hear you. Today is Friday, May 14th, 2021. Tomorrow is Saturday the 15th, and then Sunday is the 16th, and we'll be back here on Monday. Let's take a look at our pattern. We have 3 of everything. We have 3 suns and then 3 kites. So say it with me. 1 sun, 2 suns, 3 suns, 1 kite, 2 kites, 3 kites. 1 sun, 2 suns, 3 suns, 1 kite, 2 kites, 3 kites. 1 sun. What's going to go here? Sun. 2 suns. What's going to go here? Sun. 3 suns. Now I have 3 suns. What comes after I have 3 suns? A kite. Good job. That's exactly right. Let me put this in spot away. Go after circle. Let's take a look. We predicted rain today. Is it raining outside? No, it's not raining outside. What kind of weather outside? Sunny. It is sunny outside. What kind of weather are we going to have tomorrow? Rainy and sunny. Julian, what do you think? What kind of weather are we going to have tomorrow? Rainy? Oh, goodness.
And cloudy.
And cloudy, because rain comes with the clouds, doesn't it? All right, let's say our alphabet together. Remember, we're not going to sing it. We're going to say it. Let's pull our mask up. Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Excellent. We're going to count all the way to 15. Are you ready? Shake that brain. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Wiggle those arms. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Touch your nose. Touch your nose. Oh, I see who's listening. Ears are on. Cover those ears. Hands in lap and sitting quietly. Here we go. Let's count 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Very nice. Count backwards from 8. Are you ready? Say it with me. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Awesome. There we are. Looking for some colors. Right here on my yellow square. What color is this?
Fish.
It is a fish. What color is it?
Orange.
Orange.
Like
Good job.
orange.
Right here on my green square. What color?
Blue.
Blue. Great job, son. This is blue. Right here on my orange square. What color?
Red.
Red. Right here on my purple square. What color? A hard one. Gray. Wow, my friends are on it today. How about those shapes? Let's start right here with my orange square. What shape is that?
Oval.
Oval. Right here to my purple square. What shape is this? Yes. And here's to my yellow square. What shape is this?
A rectangle.
Rectangle. Right here to my green square. What shape is this? Big boy. Listen for Julian. What is it? Octagon. Good job. Our nursery rhyme this week is this old man. This old man, he what? He on my thumb with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man. All right. All right, we're working on the letter O. O says ah, ah, ah. So we make the letter O, we have a little O in our mouth. O. When we make the sound of the letter O, we have a big O. Ah. Mm-hmm. O is the beginning of ostrich. What's that? Octagon. And an octopus. Excellent. All right, let's figure out where we start our letters. Good job.
You start your letters at the top.
Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. There we go. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Start your letters at the top. Reach it up. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Going down. No, it's the bottom. Shake it in the middle.
No, it's the
No, up high. It's the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Let me get Oz. Ah. Reach up. Way up. At the top. Reach out and touch the top. Going down. Reach down. Way down at the bottom. This is the bottom. Reach out and touch the bottom. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Up high. Up high. Shake it. Do you start your letters at the top? Do you start your letters at the top? Or do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Going down. No, it's the bottom. Shake it in the middle. No, it's the middle. Up high, reach. Top. Where do you start your letters at the top? All right, we're making the letter O. Remember, we start at the top. We're using 2 magic C's to make the letter O. I have 1 magic C, and what makes it magic is if I take 2 of them, I can magically make another letter, which is the letter O. To make the magic C into an O, I have to start at the top, and then I sing my song. You want to sing it with me today? Here we go. Make the letter O, I'll show you how. Start at the top, go this way now. Keep on going, please don't stop. It's the letter O when you get to the top. All right, let's get those fingers up. Follow along with me. Make the letter O, I'll show you how. Start at the top, go this way now. Keep on going, please don't stop. It's the letter O when you get to the top. Nice job. Good singing. All right, my friends at home, we'll see you next week. Have a great weekend.